Okay, welcome to my unboxing video of the Radio Shack 10 meter HTX-10. So this is something that I just recently decided to buy. I've been thinking about 10 meters for a while and wanted to do some mobile and simplex local communications with 10 meters. Anyway, I was doing a little searching online and I come across an eBay seller that was selling 3 of these new in box. So these were made in 1999 and or roundabout, and they were sold for about $150 at that point. And so anyway, I got this one brand new, old stock, and I wanted to give y'all the opportunity to unbox it with me and kind of see what they put in the package back in 1999. So here we have the package as it was shipped to me, and I'm sure as it would have been found on the shelf in Radio Shack back in the day as well. Nothing special about the packaging, I guess. Maybe a little bit better than you might expect from today, but not much. Anyway, nothing too interesting on the outside, so let's get to the inside and see what they packed in there. So this is a ham radio, not a CB radio, 10 meters, and looks like the first thing we see is the owner's manual. So we got an owner's manual, which is nice. You don't even get those today in a lot of cases. You got to go online to download one or whatever. But anyway, I'll have to look through that and familiarize myself with the radio. What's this here? Plain English Rules Citizens Band Radio Service. So, I'm not sure why they would send Citizens Band literature with the radio, but they did. So that was tucked in there as well. Anyway, let's see what else they got in here. Looks like a bracket, mounting bracket. As much as I like ICOM, the ICOM's the 2730A at least doesn't even come with a bracket, so definitely nice to have a bracket without having to buy one separately. And there is the radio. Wow. Still in plastic, sealed up like brand new. Wow, I'll wait on that. See what else is in the box. So we've got here the power cable, microphone hook, and some screws and washers, grommet, fuse, that kind of thing in that pack. And then I expect to find a microphone over here with a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connector, 6-pin barrel connector, I believe they call them, and those are the robust connectors that you want. Microphone has the buttons on top. It's a real small microphone. Feels pretty good in the hand, pretty light though. Anyway, that's all we got. And so this will do 10 meters, the full band. It said something about how it includes even the novice band, 28 3 through 28.5 or something like that. I can't remember. But there is the radio. Nice radio. So we got all kinds of nice buttons and dials on there. Well, really only 6 buttons and 5 dials. So we got volume, we got RF gain and mic gain right here, squelch over here, tune, and find